Breaking news alert. Attention all state pensioners and benefit claimants. Starting April 2025, the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, is launching a groundbreaking new wave of bank account checks that could significantly impact how your benefits are paid, and even whether you continue receiving them without interruption. If you or someone you know relies on the state pension or any financial support from the DWP, this is the crucial update you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We're diving into one of the most significant behind-the-scenes changes to benefit monitoring in years, changes that will affect how your personal finances are reviewed, how your payments are calculated, and how quickly you need to respond if the DWP reaches out to you. So, what's changing in April 2025? Welcome to Pensioners Power, your trusted source for everything you need to know about pensions, retirement planning, and financial wellness. Here, we cover the latest news, expert insights, and essential updates to help you maximize your retirement years. Whether it's understanding pension schemes, making the most of your savings, or staying informed about financial changes, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Now, let's jump right into today's topic. April 2025 marks the launch of a far more advanced DWP monitoring system designed to do much more than just check your account balances. This new system will scrutinize your entire financial footprint, from unusual deposits to your spending patterns, and even transfers between accounts. Yes, even those one-off gifts from relatives or unexpected bank transfers will be under the microscope. This system is built to cross-reference what you report with what's actually visible in your account. If there's a mismatch, even if it's innocent, it could flag your case for a review. That's why now is the perfect time to review your financial activity and prepare. Imagine this. Your daughter sends you £500 as a birthday gift. Under the new DWP system, that deposit could be flagged as unusual activity, especially if it falls outside your normal transaction pattern. You'll likely be asked to explain it, and if you can't prove it was a gift, it might even be treated as income. Or let's say you take on a bit of part-time work or rent out a room in your house. Even if it brings in just a small amount, it must be reported. These seemingly minor changes in your income can lead to big issues if not disclosed. People often get tripped up, not because they're doing anything wrong, but because they don't realize that everything counts now. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The answer is simple: get organized. Start collecting your financial paperwork now. Gather bank statements, receipts for large purchases, proof of gifts, and proof of income. If the DWP contacts you, you don't want to be scrambling through a shoebox full of papers. Instead, have everything stored in an easy-to-access folder, physical or digital, whatever works for you. Make a note of any transfers or large sums that could raise questions later. For instance, if you recently sold a car and the payment shows up in your account, you'll need a record of that sale. Being ready to explain these transactions can mean the difference between a smooth process and a suspended payment. And don't forget, many pensioners and claimants have more than one bank account, including joint accounts with spouses or savings tucked away. The DWP may request information on all accounts where you have access to funds. If you've been moving money between accounts, make sure those transfers are clearly labeled and explained. For example, if you transfer £200 from your savings to your current account to pay for car repairs, just keep a quick note of it. Even these basic details could help if questions arise. Now let's talk about what to do if you're contacted by the DWP. First of all, don't panic. A letter or email from them asking for details is not necessarily a bad thing. It's often part of routine checks. But how you respond makes the difference. Read through the letter carefully and don't delay your response. Even a simple delay can lead to your payment being paused until everything is cleared up. If they're asking about a certain deposit, respond with clarity and provide whatever proof you have. If it's something you can't explain on the spot, contact a professional advisor, a pensioner support service, or Citizens Advice for guidance. They deal with these issues every day and can help you phrase your responses correctly to avoid misunderstandings. But what if the DWP makes a mistake? It happens. Thousands of benefit claimants have received incorrect overpayment notices or false flags triggered by automatic systems. If you believe a decision is wrong, you have the right to challenge it through a process called mandatory reconsideration, your first line of defense. Always keep copies of every letter, email, and document you send or receive. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case. Now, you might be wondering, does this apply to me if I only get the basic state pension? The answer is a resounding yes. This isn't just about people on universal credit or other means-tested benefits. Everyone receiving DWP-related payments is subject to the same checks because the system is now being applied across the board. And here's the twist. It's not just about what's going into your account. It's about what your spending says about your lifestyle. If your expenses don't match your reported income, say, you're taking frequent holidays, buying high-end goods, or making large donations, the DWP might assume you have unreported income, even if you don't. Preparation and transparency are your best allies. Let me offer you a quick checklist to help you stay ready, review your last 6 months of bank statements, and highlight any large or unusual transactions. Collect proof of any one-off payments, like gifts or refunds. Keep a log of any extra income you receive, even if it's irregular. Ensure your personal details with the DWP are up to date. Being proactive now can save you a mountain of stress later. The key takeaway here is simple. Match what you report with what your account shows. Don't assume the DWP won't notice something. They will. Their new system is powered by advanced AI and data matching tools that can detect inconsistencies faster than ever. Let's also discuss the importance of understanding your rights as a benefit claimant. If you feel that the DWP has made an error in their assessment of your financial situation, you have the right to appeal their decision. This process can be daunting, but knowing that you have the option to challenge any discrepancies is empowering. Engaging with support services can provide you with the necessary guidance to navigate this process effectively. Organizations like Citizens Advice or local pensioner support groups can offer invaluable assistance, ensuring that you understand your rights and responsibilities. As we approach April 2025, it's also a good time to review your overall financial health. Consider setting up a budget that reflects your income and expenses accurately. This proactive approach not only helps you stay organized, but also prepares you for any inquiries from the DWP. Additionally, consider reaching out to financial advisors who specialize in benefits and pensions. They can provide tailored advice based on your unique circumstances, helping you to optimize your financial situation while ensuring compliance with DWP regulations. In conclusion, the DWP's new bank account checks are a significant shift in how benefits are monitored and assessed. By staying informed, organized, and proactive, you can navigate these changes with confidence. Remember, transparency is your strongest ally in this process. Thank you for watching Pensioners Power. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you in the next video with more insights on the issues that affect the UK. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates.